Parece que o lugar que eu coloquei a GoPro agora aqui nesse outro capacete, não sei se a imagem vai ficar boa. Vai encontrar um amigo na pista também, Renan da XJ. Renanzinho da XJ. Ramon tá aí com a gente também. O Mozão tá aqui, morrendo de vergonha. Veio na mãe aqui pra esperar, ó. Ó o bicho vindo! Ó o bicho vindo! Ó o bicho vindo! Ó o bicho vindo! Agora fudeu, né? Vai ficar pra trás, acompanhar as 4 segundos não dá não, pô!
So what's up with all that goddamn tough talk you had earlier on the phone? You know what I'm saying? When you saying you was gonna goddamn do this and that to me when you saw me. Freaky deaky. Wow, that it. Oh, I thought so. Yeah, I had a level of confidence, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You said you gon' fuck me to death when you see me. You said that. You said that. You said you gon' do me the worst. I remember you right when you said that. I remember. You said you gon' kiss from my neck to my chest to my neighbors and digging nuts. We talked about everything. Now you know that we got us from making up. I lick on that puss on a pill and I make her stand up like some bunny hills. I bite on the butt and I suck on her toes and her soul go out of here. She look at him like he won't kill and I turn around her light like I'm Dr. Phil. Let's get freaky dick around here. Sit down, ooh, ooh, ooh. Sit down, ooh, ooh. I want you to sit down, ooh, ooh. I want you to sit down, Jeffrey, ooh, ooh. Hey. I got the door unlocked, and I know right now she'd rather have my dick than a watch. And I'm not right about everything, but I got a strong feeling she'll take me a charge. We run into the narcs. And I'm seeing all y'all emotions. Came a long way from roaches. I ain't ready to burn, get the rolling. I ain't never needed nothing broken. All 4 pocket macaroni. Rose gold AB like a token. Bought the bitch a mean, now she cozy. Ready to go to jail, I ain't told it. I get excited when I see you. I'd rather freeze up and get shot when I see you. All day dreaming, I'm steady just striving, I'll challenge the real. You a cool one, you a real one. Let's go to Africa to the pilgrim. Hey. You said you gon' fuck me to death when you see me. You said that. You said that. You said you gon' do me the worst. I remember you right when you said that. You said you gon' kiss from my neck to my chest to my neighbors and digging nuts. We talked about everything. Now you know that we got us from making up. I lick on that puss on a pill and I make her stand up like some bunny hills. I bite on her butt and I suck on her toes and her soul go out of here. She look at him like he won't kill and I turn around her light like I'm Dr. Phil. Let's get freaky dick around here. Sit down, ooh, ooh, ooh. Sit down, ooh, ooh. I want you to sit down, ooh, ooh. I want you to sit down.
Last week she told me we ain't gon' make it past this day. We in my house, she wanted me to leave, but where am I gonna stay? She hit the keys in the attic. She even tried to hide my paddock. Please stop being petty. I don't want no more spaghetti. My side bitch in the driveway, yeah. Waiting on you to leave, babe, yeah. You gotta know, yeah, the time change. I don't know what's on your mind frame. but I gotta go and gang bang. The streets mine, so I switch lanes. You said I won't change, won't change. You said I won't change, won't change. I regret I put you up on game. Regret it. I regret I told your mama life will change. Mama, yeah. Out of all the cash I put on them, out of all the bags I put on them, and I said I won't brag, I don't boast. Since you popped the tags, I don't want them. And my nigga, they been placed to vote. That you needed to get off the boat. I can blame it on me, I said no. Got a head so big, it explodes.
You said you gon' fuck me to death when you see me, you said that, you said that. You said you gon' do me the worst, I remember you right when you said that. You said you gon' kiss from my neck to my chest to my neighbors and digging nuts. We talked about everything, now you know that we got us from making up. I lick on that puss on a pill and I make her stand up like some bunny hills. I bite on.
Aí, Renanzinho voltando às origens. Agora o Renanzinho chora, hein? Andando na 66. Pensa numa moto macia. Confortável, né, amor? Só o retrovisor que eu não tô enxergando muito aqui. Vamos na manha, né? A moto não é nossa. Boinha. É muito mais leve que a Hornet. Gostosa para fazer curva. A Tryumph. Aí, Parmeira! Até em cidade diferente não acha conhecido, não? Sei muito rápido na lombada aqui agora. O Nick quase ficou pra trás. Dá pra dar uma esticadinha agora aqui. rapaziada. Valeu!